Page 14, Au clair de la lune. In this piece, they're introducing you to your first dynamic sign or dynamic mark, whatever. Dynamics is symbols that tell you how loud or soft to play. Because we know how long to play, we know which notes to play, we can even figure out which finger to use. Now they're telling you how loud to play. P means piano. Italian, a lot of Italian used in music notation, and it means soft. And now we got all kinds of problems. You see, the question is, what is soft? Well, it's different for different people. It's different for different situations. It's different for different pianos. It depends on the room. How many people are around? Are you a big concert hall? Are you outside? Are you inside a little living room like this one, or whatever? So it's relative. Soft is, what is soft to you? Well, it's softer than loud. So you're going to have to decide. I can't tell you that's soft, because you might think, well, that's loud. I can get softer than that. Or you might think, no, that's way too soft. That's not soft, because you can have different levels of soft. That's very soft. That's something, you know. No, or I could go here. And you say, that's not soft, that's loud. Well, it's all relative. It depends on the situation. So you're thinking soft. In the piece, from start to finish, whatever soft is on that piece is going to apply at that level for the piece and that time. Now, if you play that piece in a different location, you might have to adjust that level. But as far as the whole piece goes, it's relative. Here, they put the P in between the staves, and that's where it belongs. Dynamic marks belong in between the staves, because you'll sometimes see them all over the place. I need to explain why that is, because there's reasons for that nonsense. But it belongs in between the staves, and it applies to the melody. You don't have to worry about right now, because everything's melody. So, and I'll explain more about that a little later. So here, they're simply telling you this piece is soft. So you decide how soft is, and the whole piece has to be at that level, whatever that level is. If I want soft to be here, the whole piece has to be at that level, whatever it is, whatever. Okay. So as far as the dynamics go, I keep saying I don't know what it is. You're going to have to decide what you think it is and go with that. If you have a teacher, they'll tell you. I've had some teachers that were really picky. Oh no, that's too loud. It's just a little bit. To my ears, it's what? But, give me a break. It's a range, soft, it's whatever. There's a lot of ranges in music. It's not absolute all the time. Let's play this Clair de la Lune together. If you'll notice, there's a repeat sign at the end of it, so we're going to play it twice. It's just one line long, and it's only for the right hand. Sort of. Careful. They're showing it here with the one above the C as thumb, and that would indicate, because of the notes here, that it would be for the right hand. But as far as the rules go, either hand could play this. Because I could play this in the left hand. If I put little finger on C, in C position, I'm just coming up here. I can play this piece with the left hand too. So some people actually believe, and it's incorrect, that the top staff is for the right hand, the bottom staff is for the left hand. There's no rule that says that. Some teachers will make up that. The point is, we usually use the right hand for the top staff and the left hand for the bottom staff just because it's convenient. The right hand is closer to the notes that appear in the top staff, and the left hand is closer to the notes that appear in the bottom staff, so we just do it that way. But you can switch it, and sometimes your hands will cross, and things get all kinds of wiggly, woggly, whatever. So be careful. So if you want to play this with the left hand too, go right ahead. But I'm going to stay with the right hand because I'm lazy, and that's what we'll do. So I'm going to give us 4 counts, and let's do this together because we need practice at playing stuff. Yeah, play as much music as you can get your hands on. So I'm going to give us 4 counts, and we'll go. And we are, as I said, it's repeated. We're going to play it twice. Here we go. 1, 2, Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.